Hello there, YouTube. This is just my quick video showing the plasma storms. Just grabbed two while I was out. I will be giving a TCG code out at the end of the video. Okay. If you see my other ones, I'm not very good with some of these. Nautic Laser, trainer card. Pillow Swine, Loudred, Skitty, got myself a Squirtle, Magnemite, got a Turtwig, Duo, a Reverse Vanillish, and Ludicolo. Dropped this pack here, where'd it go? Sorry about that, fell over. Another one. Another Hypnotic Laser. Lombre. Evolite. Magnemite, Cherubi, Clink, Riolu, Latoad, and I got a Reverse Crobat, nice, and a Snorlax. Not what I wanted to get, but didn't have most of those, so that was nice. And TCG code. This is the online one. First person to get it can use it. And thanks for watching.